Do you think about these multi-pocket crop drop pants? These pants right here. Those are pants that are all the rage. Yeah, a lot of people wear them now. Can you believe that? No, ma'am. J-Lo wore them. Chris Brown wore them. Justin Bieber wears them. What do you think about them? They okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Now I'm going to show you Justin Bieber wearing these. Tell me what you think about that. No, not about Justin Bieber. About him wearing them. This is a picture of Justin Bieber wearing the crop drop pants. Yep. What do you think? Really?
He need to put a shirt on. He's too phony. He ain't got no damn meat on his bone. Ain't shit to hold on to. No.
You don't like that?
No, really.
That's not cute?
Hell no, that ain't cute.
There's a lot worse one.
He a cute boy. But still, he needs to eat.
Symbicort may increase your risk of lung infections, osteoporosis, and some eye problems. Tell your doctor if you have a heart condition or high blood pressure before taking.
Well, they should give MC Hammer money
Why?
on them pants because he the one who brought those pants out. So they should give him some of the money. MC Hammer, if you see this, sue them, whoever made them pants. I don't like them, but I know you have money problems, and you better sue them motherfuckers because you the one came out with them pants. So you look out for you and your family.
Here's some more. The Ratchet? Well, that's I told you that boys and girls are wearing these. Would you wear them?
Hell no.
Why? They're all the rage.
You want to wear them?
No, ma'am. As you can see, she don't like these pants.